Sister Lidwin Mary is here to wish you a hope filled good morning as we are confined to our homes with our loved ones during this period of lockdown. No doubt we are faced with the worst ever global crisis in our lifetime. The COVID 19 coronavirus has affected many countries, and the rapid spread of this virus has left human beings feeling powerless in the face of its onslaught. This explosion of the virus of death makes us realize that we need to change and begin to look inward as well as outward, an exercise that will bring us to awakening that we have lost something precious in our life. We have forgotten to love and cherish our relationships with one another and spend some quality time. We have forgotten God who has given us this earth to use responsibly, and instead we have exploited, plundered, and done damage to this God given gift. Perhaps this is the time for everyone to come back and change our way of being and begin to breathe the fresh air. This will be possible only if we follow the directives given by the central and state government. Therefore, let us abide by these norms in order to stay fit, safe, and healthy. Take good care. Improve your immunity power. Drink warm water and wash your hands whenever needed. The secure place is our home, so enjoy being with your loved ones and share moments of joy and happiness. Pray for the brave doctors, nurses, health workers, and the police personnel who risk their lives in the service of all. Remember, no matter what you face in life, don't let go of God's hand. Let us remember that in His own time and in His own way, He will work out everything beautiful for all of us. With this hope and trust, let us live each day happily and joyfully. God bless us all.